If your only income stream is a paycheck, you are putting a ceiling on your potential. Because time is limited and salaries don't scale as fast as dreams. So, what's the way out? The answer is simple: passive income. Income that even works when you don't. Hi, I'm Jyoti Pandey, and in this video, we are going to show you 6 powerful passive income ideas that can help you earn 1 lakh plus every month, even while working full time. Let's get started. 69% of working professionals in India feel financially insecure. That's despite holding a full-time job. Most people think the only way to earn more is work hard or to switch jobs. What if I told you that the real secret to wealth isn't in working more, but in earning smarter? That's what passive income does. It gives you breathing room, it buys you time back, and most importantly, it lets you earn without constantly showing up. Today, I'll walk you through 6 passive income streams that are practical, proven, and doable even with a busy 9 to 5. YouTube has turned creators into millionaires. And guess what? You don't even have to be on camera. That's where YouTube automation channels come in. These are faceless channels where everything is outsourced, from scripting to voiceover and editing. In 2024 alone, YouTube ad revenue in India crossed 3,100 crore, and a significant chunk went into these automation channels. You can pick a niche like finance, productivity, or health tips. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI for scripting, 11 Labs or voice booking for AI voiceovers, and Pictory or Caption.ai for editing. Hire freelancers on Fiverr to tie it all together. You are eligible for monetization once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And beyond ads, you can add affiliate links, brand sponsorships, and even digital product sales. With consistent effort, these channels can make 80,000 to 1.5 lakhs per month. Think of it like building a digital machine that works while you sleep. This one is closest to our hearts because it's the easiest way to turn your skills into income. If you have ever bought a digital planner, a resume template, or a budget tracker, you are a part of this booming market. Now imagine creating and selling your own. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip have made it super easy to set up. So here's how it works. Pick a skill. Maybe you are great at organization or finance. Turn it into a Notion template, an ebook, or a design toolkit. Upload it, promote it through LinkedIn, Instagram, or SEO. A rupees 499 product sold 3,000 times in a month earns you 1.5 lakhs. And you only need to create it once. It's not just money, it's freedom. This is passive income in its purest, most creative form. If you are a creative professional, designer, photographer, musician, you might be sitting on a gold mine without even knowing it. You don't need to chase clients every month. Instead, start licensing your work. Websites like Freepik and Creative Market let you upload design templates. Audio Jungle and Epidemic Sound pays musicians for background tracks. Once uploaded, you get paid every time someone downloads your work. That's a recurring revenue with zero ongoing effort. Even coders and copywriters can license templates and scripts. The best part? No marketing is needed. These platforms bring the buyers to you. If you have an existing portfolio, you can start today. If not, spend a few weekends and build one. It's one of the most overlooked and most powerful forms of passive income today. Affiliate marketing might sound old school, but it's more powerful than ever, especially in India, where digital consumption is at an all-time high. Here's how it works. You recommend products, people buy using your link, and you earn a commission. Simple. But today, you don't need a big blog or a YouTube channel to start. Instagram Reels, LinkedIn posts, and even Twitter threads are enough. Focus on a niche you love: tech, finance, personal development. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, Qlinks, or Impact. Promote smartly. Let's say you are promoting a 5,000 rupees gadget with rupees 1,000 commission. Just 100 sales a month is equal to rupees 1 lakh. And if your content is evergreen, it can earn long after you post. This is ideal for creators, influencers, or even quiet researchers who enjoy recommending tools. You are already sharing what you love. Why not get paid for it? Real estate has always been a reliable wealth builder, but earlier you needed lakhs to get it. Not anymore. Platforms like Strata, Asset Monk, and Hits let you start with as little as 25,000 rupees. These platforms pool investors' money to buy commercial properties like warehouses or office spaces. You earn rental income and enjoy asset appreciation without managing tenants or paperwork. And it's truly passive. Just one-time setup and the platform handles everything. If you are someone with savings lying idle or stuck in low return FDs, this could be a game changer. Real estate used to be out of reach for most young professionals. Now, it's just a few clicks away. You get consistent income and a valuable asset in your portfolio. If you love to write, this one is for you. Newsletters are becoming the new blogs, but with more trust, more loyalty, and more money. Platforms like Substack and Beehive let you create free or paid newsletter. Pick a niche: AI, career growth, relationship, finance, something you genuinely enjoy talking about. Write once a week, share it through LinkedIn, Twitter, and word of mouth. Once people find value in your content, you can introduce a paid tier. Even if 500 people subscribe at rupees 199 per month, that's nearly rupees 1 lakh per month. It's slow to start. Yes, maybe 6 to 9 months, but the compound effect is real. Plus, you own your lists, your brand, and your voice. If you want to build a long-term income while impacting lives, newsletters are the perfect combo of purpose and profit. So here's the truth. Depending on one income stream in 2025 is risky. Whether it's job loss, inflation, or burnout, life, it's hard. But with passive income, you give yourself a cushion and, more importantly, control. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need a huge capital. All you need is right idea, consistent execution, and the willingness to start. So tell me in the comments, which one are you going to try first? And if you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone tired of living paycheck to paycheck. See you in the next one.